Good morning students. Today I'm gonna teach 10th maths second chapter triangles, continuation of the previous video. State which pair of triangles in the figure are similar. Write the similarity criteria used by you for answering the question and also write the pair of similar triangles in the symbolic form. So what you have to do, here they have given two sub question to you have to see in these two triangles, state which pair of triangles in the figure are similar. These two triangles are similar or not, you have to say, and you have to write the similarity criteria used to find out whether it is similar or not. Then you have to write it in symbolic form. Two triangles, similar triangles, you have to write it in the symbolic form. So first, when the two triangles become similar, I have explained in the previous video and all. When the two triangles become similar, if the corresponding angles are equal and the corresponding sides are in the proportion, right? When it will become, if corresponding angles are equal, right? Angles are equal. That is, if I take two triangles A, B, C and P, Q, R, so what it will, corresponding angle is this and this, this and this, this and this, right? So angle A should be equal to angle P, angle B should be equal to angle Q, and angle C should be equal to angle R. This is the corresponding angles, right? Then the second condition is what? Corresponding sides are in proportion. Corresponding are in same ratio or same proportion. So these are the two conditions. If corresponding angles are equal and if corresponding sides are in same ratio. Corresponding sides means what? AB by PQ, right? AB by PQ is equals to BC by QR is equals to AC by PR. AC by PR. These are the condition to become similarity, right? So this, you have to show these two triangles are similar by using these two conditions. If you have this condition, then we can say that the two triangles are similar. So now you got to know how the two triangles can be said to be similar. Now we'll solve this problem. So first we'll solve the first question. Observe the triangle, two triangles here, 60 degree 60 degree, 80 degree 80 degree, 40 degree 40 degree. All angles are equal, right? Here, so we'll write it down. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, what and all equal? Angle A and angle P is 60 degree equal, right? So angle A is equals to angle P, angle B is equals to angle Q, and angle C is equals to angle R. So from angle, so from A similarity, right? Three angles are equal, right? From A, angle, similarity. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So we can say, using this similarity, right? And we have studied this. We have angle. So if three angles are equal, then we can say that these are similar. By using similarity, AAA similarity criteria, we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Next we'll solve the second question. Now observe the triangle here. Here ABC and PQR, 2, 3, 2.5, 6, 5, 4 they have given. Angles they have not given, they have given the sides. Sides what should be? Sides should be, corresponding sides are in the same ratio. It should get same ratio. Corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So we'll see whether we get a same ratio. 2, 3, 2.5, 2. We'll check here. Here 2.5 and 5 Don't check like this only, same. Sometimes the triangles will be turned and will be given. So you have to see how we will get the correct ratio. So 2 and 4. Right, 2 and 4 if we take, what you will get? Or 4 and 2. 2. And 3 and 6. So then 2.55. 2.51s are here 2s are, right, 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3 2s are 6. So this actually this triangle, how it can be done? PQR, if we write like this, PQ is what? PQ is 6, QR is 4, 6. Now you can see 2 and 4, 3 and 6 are the multiples, right? 2 multiples it is. 3 and 6. 6 is a multiple of 3. 2.5. This is 5, right? 2.5 and 5. So we'll write it in the ratio. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR. PQ by AC. PQ by AC is equals to what? PQ is how much? PQ is 6, AC is 3. So 6 by 3. So 3 1s are 3 2s are. So answer you got 2. Then QR by AB. Next, QR by AB. QR is what? 6. QR is 4. AB is 2. So 4 by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are. 2 again you got. Then what? Which is remaining? PR by BC. Next, PR by BC. PR is what? 5. BC is 2.5. Here also 1s are 2s are, right? So see this. All you got 2 2 2, right? So all the answers are same. By seeing that, what we can say? PQ by AC is equals to PR by BC is equals to QR by AB. Now you got corresponding sides are in same ratio or same proportion, right? Then what we can say? We can say these two triangles are similar, right? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Students, take down some homework questions. State which pair of triangles in the figure are similar. Write the similarity criteria used by you for answering the question, and also write the pair of similar triangles in symbolic form. Same what I have taught in this video, that only you have to prove here. You have to prove whether these two triangles are similar, and you have to write it in symbolic form, and how you have proved that also you have to show. So first one is DEF and PQ triangle. Here 70 degree, 80 degree. Here 80 degree and 30 degree. Next, second one, two triangles are there, MNL and PQR. 2.55, 70 degree. Here 70 degree, 5, 10. Third one, LMP and DEF. 2.732. Here 4, 6, 5. Students, solve these questions in your homework book. Thank you.